if your questions start off with the same code, that is way more important always than the second codes. 100%, because AAPC even says on their website that if a question starts out with the same answer, there's a reason for that. They just want to know, do you know if we need to code an additional code with this procedure or not? And what would be cheaper? What would be cheaper is coding for just one procedure, not two, right? So we know our answer for this one would be D. But be careful. You know, we did use the secondary codes earlier, but that was only because our first set of codes did not match at all. If your first set of codes match, that's your similarity you need to pay attention to. Yep. And your question. And your answer. We got two similarities, right? That eliminates all of that. That eliminates all of that. The only thing that is different is your ICD-10. And what do we avoid? We avoid those 9s. So you know your answer is A, without doing anything.
Bobby? Let me at the door.
Stop that. Here we go. Here we go. Feeling better about it now? Okay.